Hello you guys. Today I'm going to do a haul video, and I have 6 bath bombs from a company that I ordered from called Mad Bear Beauty. Mad Bear Beauty. And they have an Instagram page, and I just looked at their bath bombs a few days ago, and I just fell in love with what I was seeing. So I thought, well, why not place an order? So I'm going to do individual tub demos of each of these bath bombs, but for now I wanted to do a haul video so I can show you all of them. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell to get all notifications, and that way you won't miss any of these bath bomb tub demo videos when I upload them. All right, so now let me let's see where to start here. Mad Bear Beauty had many bath bombs on their site, but I had to narrow it down to 6, and she even threw a whole bath bomb in my order. So the first one I'm going to show you is called Sugar. Sugar, look at that gorgeous beauty. Isn't that pretty? I just am like mesmerized by how pretty this is. So can't wait to use that one. And they're individually shrink wrapped, so I can kind of smell it, but I can't really smell it. So I'm not able to tell you what they smell like until I actually use them, which is why I'm going to make individual videos of all of them. The next one is called Jam With It. Jam With It. Look at that. The back. I wrote that on there, by the way. Look at that color. Look at that saturated, gorgeous, bright fuchsia color. And then you turn it around and bam! You've got gold and fuchsia. Oh my goodness. Right? So that's Jam With It. The next one I'm going to show you is called Toucan. Toucan, like the bird. And I just loved the shape of it, and just the artistry of it, and that's why I got that one. So that's Toucan. The next one is so gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And this one she just threw in here in my order. And look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's my favorite color. Oh my goodness. It's that violet purple, and then that gold just dribbled on it like some kind of psychedelic bundt cake or something. Yes. So I don't know what this one is called. I apologize. But how about this? When I'm done making this video, I'll look it up, and then I'll put it in a little doohickey that pops up in the corner that says what this name is. So I can't wait to use this one. Wow. And then the next one is gorgeous. It's called After the Rain. After the rain comes the rainbow. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, it's like she's got metallic and glittery paint down the sides, looking like an artistic rainbow. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. The next one is so cool. So it's called Masquerade. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see why I bought this, right? Because that color. Masquerade. So it looks like a masquerade mask. And last, and probably my favorite, this one is called Mermaid Tears. Mermaid Tears. Look at this. I mean, all my favorite colors all in one bath bomb. So we've got this purple back here. We've got this sort of indigo blue and violet here. Then we've got blue and aqua and green. I mean, I can't wait. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's glittery. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. So yeah, Mermaid Tears. I can't wait. So those are the bath bombs that I got from Mad Bear Beauty, and I will put the prices of these and the shipping down below in the description box. And I'm trying to decide which one I want to demo first. It's probably going to be one of these first. So, all right. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment down below, and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. If you enjoy this video, please like my video by giving me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video and new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.